Stop hiring and start cloning your best rep. Dealism 1.0 introduces Deal Anchor, your AI sales director. If you ever get tons of Instagram DMs and comments, but barely any actual sales, then this is the video for you. You reply late, leads disappear, and half the people who are interested never come back. That was literally my problem. Then I found an AI tool called Dealism AI. It's not a chatbot, but an AI sales agent that actually follows up, talks to leads, and helps close his sales for you 24/7. And honestly, this feels more like hiring an AI sales team than using a chatbot. Most businesses have a real problem. Getting too many DMs to manage manually, repeating the same replies every day, losing leads because responses are too slow. Instagram brings traffic, but conversions are typically too weak. This is hard to scale without hiring a full team. And this is where Dealism becomes different from any typical chatbot tools. Now, Dealism is different for one big feature. It has an AI sales director. Most tools only reply. Dealism thinks, optimizes like a sales manager, and Deal Anchor analyzes conversations, extracts tactics, suggests next actions, as well as automating follow-ups and fine-tuning itself to get better conversions. In short, it's not acting like customer support, it's actually acting like a sales manager. Here we can see the sales director here, and then we have a bunch of different agents that it controls. Basically, everything runs through and qualifies your leads. Here we can see an example of WhatsApp actually having a follow-up from our AI. So it says, "Hi, I'm Winnie. You can role play as a customer to test me." So in this example, it says, "How could I help you?" And then the customer would say, "How much is the monthly plan?" It's going to reply with a price. Then the customer is going to say, "How much is the annual plan?" It's going to reply with the correct pricing for the annual plan as well. And it replies just like a normal person, giving the customer exactly what they want in very quick amounts of time. And you can even talk with it to actually build out your system as well. So you can see it's gone ahead and added things like new product knowledge in record amounts of time, way faster than any of your team would be able to do. We can also set it up with if statements. So here we can see when someone comments on a specific post or reel, it will actually reply to that comment with a specified word or words. So here we can say price, we can say link, shop, or anything else here. And here is an example of that working. So we can see that someone said price, and then it's replied, "Hey, I just sent you a DM," and then it's going to obviously DM that person with the price. Now, all of this is automated, and that's what makes Dealism different. So here we can see this is where we set up that DM section. So if someone comments AI, the AI will reply, "I just sent you a DM," and then we can actually type in the DM that they would get to. Now, this isn't just limited to mobile. We can see here we are on a PC, and we are adding to our knowledge base simply by typing to the AI. So when it comes to workflow, you get an Instagram comment, you get a DM, WhatsApp, follow-up, and conversion from that point, automatically filtering out your leads to be warmer and get those conversions quicker. It's also way faster than having your own team because you're going to get instant replies. It's never going to miss a lead. And this is all automatic when it comes to following up and other things. And this also just works while you sleep. So it's going to work around the clock because it's AI and not a human. It also allows you to handle multiple customers at once. So that's going to be something that's beneficial compared to other systems out there or just having your own team trying to do it. And as we've seen today, there are very, very human-like responses available here. It speaks naturally, it handles objections, and it answers questions intelligently. You can also train the AI with your own website or documents, and then it will read those documents and adapt its voicing and branding to your exact company. Because most bots sound painfully obvious, and this one feels like chatting with a real sales rep. So who exactly is this for? It's for local businesses, coaches and consultants, content creators and info product sellers, as well as e-commerce brands and anyone selling via Instagram or WhatsApp. So really, if you get any type of message for your business, you definitely need to be using this because this is going to speed up that workflow and run overnight so you don't have to pay salaries to massive amounts of teams in order to scale your business. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description, but that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.